With Facebook ad, you can make ClickBank sale fast as well as it is highly scalable. In this video, watch me build a Facebook ad campaign step by step promoting a ClickBank product. And if you're first time watching, do subscribe my channel to convert your affiliate offer where I'm uploading the videos on Monday and Thursday. You can also watch few of my videos, and if this is providing you values to make money online, then do not forget to subscribe the channel as well as give the thumbs up to this video, because in this video you can make some of the sales from ClickBank fast with Facebook ad. Do not forget to smash that like button. With that said, let's dive in. Facebook is one of the awesome platform with having a lot of target audience with them. You name the niche, they have the target audience for that niche. The only thing is you should know how to scale with Facebook ad or how to promote the product, especially ClickBank or affiliate product with Facebook. In this video, you're going to learn the first part of it is all about how to set up a Facebook ad, and the second part is all about how to read the Facebook ad matrix. So do not forget to watch the video till the end. From the ClickBank marketplace, guys, I'm going to promote a spiritual and manifestation related products, and these are the few of the product which is doing very well with the gravity. Here you can see the gravity of 200 plus 176. So these are the few of the product which is doing very well, but I am looking at some new product. To get the new product, I have an option over here like date added to marketplace. So what I'm going to do is like I'm going to make a change on this. I just want a recent product, okay, from May or June, July, right? So here you can see soul manifestation. This is a new product came in, and the average sale is $17 in this almost, and the gravity is 111. So let's see their sales page, and also let's open their affiliate page. This is their sales page over here. So I think they are asking the name and month, date, all those things. So they will give you a report card of it. Okay, that's what they are saying, like your soul reading reveal the path that your soul is on at this point in your life. And also guys, they have this their affiliate page. Okay, so they have a contest running here because this is a very new product. So they have an email swipe, banners, blog posts, reviews, Facebook ad, and the product image also. So we'll get into the Facebook ad, and here you can see they have given almost everything. They have already tested with different interest as well as ages here. So what we have to do is we have to just copy and paste, and also they have the ad copy, which is really important. So I already reading this, their ad copies are amazing. They also have a video which you can promote in Facebook ad or also with a Google ads, okay, or YouTube ads also. Some of them are a little bit longer and some of them are shorter, so you can download it. They're also given the landing page design for each of the video, but I'm not going to use video here. I'm going to use the image. And also for the ad copy, this is they have having a lot of good ad copy which is giving a lot of good conversion. So you don't need to create your own ad copy. So I have this one here, like version 5. My entire life changed when I discovered this secret. So the call to action is very good, right? The headline. And also they have a longer ad copy, because I have seen recently the longer ad copy convert very well. So almost they have given everything, guys. The only thing is just you have to get the images here. Now we have to create a landing page. So I already created a landing page here. One of the key thing about your landing page is the relevancy with your sales page. There should be a relevancy, and make sure, right, you are going to use the sales page as well as you can also use these blog posts, reviews, right, email swipe to create a good landing page. Okay, so it should be relevant, so you can use the color which they have used as well as the background. So right now I'm not using any background, right? I'm going to test this landing page with another one, right, once the campaign will start. Okay, that's how I do this. I'm going to see that how much conversion this landing page is giving me. Okay, that I'm going to cover in the next video, as I said in the beginning. So you have to put the terms, privacy, disclaimers, contact. So if you don't have these terms, privacies, disclaimer and contact, you don't need to worry about it. If you're promoting, right, this same product, you can get their privacies terms. For example, this is their terms of service. So you can copy this link here, and you can put here in the terms, privacy policies, all these things. Okay, you'll get the option of inserting this. Okay, this is this, so you can use that. It's very easy to do. Then make sure you're going to save this, and you can put the link also here. This is really important, so make sure you're going to use these links which are allowed to promote with Facebook ad. Okay, so this link over here is allowed to run with Facebook ad. So you can put your ID over here, right? Look at this. This is the links you're going to use in your right landing page. So you can put the link over here. It is given here, right? Look at this one, or also at the end you can put the link. So make sure your landing page is responsive. That means it should be responsive with phone or tablet also. So it's really one of the key thing here. And then once if you're done, you can do next step. So here you have to put the page title as well as the description, and also you can use your own domain name, which I will highly recommend you. Instead of using their domain name, buy a domain name from right Bluehost. That's really important. And then one of the important thing, guys, you can also put the sales page URL right by choosing custom thank you page. But we already use the sales page URL in the front page, so we don't need to use this. Just I'm keeping right default thank you page. And then the important thing is, guys, the most important thing, Facebook pixel. To get the Facebook pixel ID, here you don't need to put the code, you have to put the pixel ID. For this, guys, you have to get into right event manager. So here whatever your pixel is, you have to select this code, right? This is the pixel ID. Also you can select from setting, right? In the setting here you can see right clipboard the pixel ID, and then you can use this ID on the same place. Okay, so that you can retarget it, the real money is there. Okay, so once if you put the Facebook pixel over here, and then you can say publish. So now your landing page is ready, guys. So I'm going to click here and look at this. This is our landing page, and also it is showing in the top right with the help of Facebook pixel helper, it is showing your page views. Facebook pixel is working good. Okay, do not worry about this yellow sign. It will it will become green, right? And to install this Facebook pixel helper, you have to get into the Chrome, right? Facebook pixel helper, which will show you whenever you use any pixel, right, in any landing page, it will show you like this. Okay, it will shows that the pixel is there and it's working too. Okay, so now our landing page is ready. So now we are going to set up the Facebook ad. To set up the Facebook ad, guys, we have to select your right ad manager. Here I'm going to select create. You can start with quick creation. Also you can get into the guided creation. So I'm going to use the quick creation. So name your campaign, that is right soul manifestation. Then I'm going to keep traffic, guys. I'm not going to run a conversion ad right now, so I'm going to keep the traffic ad only. So traffic, and as well as I'm not going to use the daily budget. I'm going to use the campaign budget optimization, because this will be what Facebook is recommending right now. So because very soon they're going to make it mandatory. So I'm going to keep the campaign budget optimization here. I'm going to start with 1,000 rupees. That is close to $12 to $13, guys, because I'm keeping minimum budget, because I'm going to create a different ad set. And I want that the Facebook ad should optimize right 1,000 rupees in my different ad set, and rest I'm going to keep like this only. I'm going to say right save to draft. So remember this, guys, if you are a starting out right and you don't know whether this offer is going to convert or not, the first right the budget is for testing, not for conversion, right? Whenever you run a ad, this small mindset can help you to right get the good conversion with your ad. Okay, I want to see that whatever the landing page I'm going to create, or the copy, the image, okay, that should give me some conversion right with this. Okay, that should have very good conversion rate, somewhere between 90 to 100%. Okay, that was my goal, okay, objective. So I'm going to test with this instead of looking for right sales conversion. So with that, guys, the next thing is ad set. So name your ad set. So I named the ad set like right soul manifestation US 40. That's what the age we are going to target. And here the place is United States. So already they have given us all the details. So here you can see the demographic which they already tested. It is between 40 to 65. That's the main, and they are targeting women's a lot. Okay, so that's why they have selected here. But they have said like men and women 35 to 65. This is my experience promoting manifestation offer, because in this convert very well, all genders. So you don't need to create the changes. So I'm going to keep like all only. And then, guys, the demography. So if you see here, they have given some of the demography like manifestation, right, personal development, right, spiritual awakening. These are the key interest where they are getting a lot of good conversion. Okay, so spirituality and personal development, which they have already given. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So now here I have selected these two of these, right, interests, that is enlightenment and spiritual. With this, the potential reach is 970,000, which is very fine to target. For me, it's okay. And then guys, the next step is like manual placement. I'm not going to select, right, automatic placement. I'm going to keep manual placement. I don't want that Facebook is going to spend all of my money in like Instagram Messenger audience network, from where I'm not getting the conversion. So here I selected only two things, like Facebook news feed, okay, and Facebook right column. This all up to you guys from where you're gonna get the conversion. Okay, so that's all the matter of testing. So right now I'm just keeping this 2-1. Okay, you can also go and give the option of Instagram, that's up to you. Okay, and rest I'm going to untick. And then guys, link click. So if you're going to select, right, link clicks, they're going to deduct the money when somebody is going to click the links. Okay, so instead of the link click, I'm going to select, right, landing page views. So now Facebook is going to deduct the money, guys, when I will have a landing page view from my targeted audience. Okay, with this guys, all of the setup is done. I'm going to get into the ad. So here in the ad label, you have to name the ad, and then guys, you have to select the page from which you want to promote the offer. Okay, it's very important that you should use the page from which you are promoting one certain kind of offers. For example, I use Manifestation Valley to promote all manifestation or spiritual related offers. If I want to promote a weight loss offer, I have another one, right, this fat loss ball. Okay, I'm going to use that one. I already shared you in my video, okay, the basic of Facebook ad. If you have not watched that video, the link is popping up here. Okay, this is really must to watch a Facebook ad video where you're going to learn what is the basic before you promote a Facebook ad with ClickBank or any affiliate offers. And if you're still watching, guys, do subscribe my channel and do not forget to give the thumbs up to this video. Okay, smash that like button. And now it comes to image. Okay, image are really important. Okay, because this is something, right, which is going to grab the attention of people. Okay, the first thing is image. They will read this right copy, and then they will going to click in the call to action. Okay, they will click to learn more. Well, the first thing is you can also get the image from here, right, in the Google, but make sure whenever you select the image, it should be copyright free. Okay, so for example, this image seems like attention grabbing, so you can save in your right device this one, and then later you can use here this one in the Canva. So Canva is amazing to use. How I am using, so let me show you this one. So this is 600 by 600 pixel. So what you have to do is like upload the image which you want to use, this one, okay, this one here, as well as, and then there is a option here, right, elements. Under elements you will get this grids. Use this grid over here. Okay, remove this one from here for meanwhile, or position is top, forward, as well as, and now what you can do is just put this one over here, and then once if your image is uploaded, you can put the image here like this. Okay, this is something, right, which should grab the attention of your target audience. So make sure your right image should have this relevancy with the product. Give some borders, because border grab attention, like red. So I already have the 3 of 1 here. You can see 1 2 3, which I already made the same way. So once this is done, guys, right, let's upload our image here, the image which we made. So right, add image, upload image, and this one first. And so right now here you can see our ad will look like this, and this is one of the image, and this is the copy I have taken from Facebook ad. So you can test all of this, right, which works for you. And if you're promoting this offer, I will not recommend you to use this one, okay, version 5, because I was reading some of the words which is given in this is not relevant with the Facebook ad policy. So do not, if you are trying to promote, do not use the version 5 of this. Okay, I don't know why they have given that is not compliant. And then you have a headline over here which I selected from there only, and then the simple description which is talking about the landing page. Okay, and this is the link which I have given here, the landing page which we have made. For example, preview. So this is the landing page we have made. So right? We are going to test this landing page. We are going to change the background and all once the ad will start. Okay, I'm going to do the testing. So hope you got some of the points, right, which is very important here. And then the Facebook pixel, you have to select the Facebook pixel which you selected. You have used the pixel code in your landing page, okay, so that you can retarget the audience. And retargeting is really, really important. I already have a video on that. Okay, if you have not watched that video, I'm going to link that video. This is the video you have to watch, which is popping up right now in the window. Okay, so this is the ad which we are ready with it. Okay, you can also see the preview over here. So now guys, we have selected only two placement, one in the feed, another is in a column. So it will look like this. Okay, something attention grabbing here. So hope you got some learning from here, guys. And now once you're ready, what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm just going to close this one. Okay, I'm not going to publish it. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to duplicate this ad set into two. I'm going to make it 2 here and duplicate. And now guys, we have two different one. So this is saying copy, but I'm going to make it 2. Okay, and here I'm going to use the another image so that we can test different images. Okay, and for this we're going to upload the another one, and this one 2, open, select, continue. So the copy will remain the same, guys, but we just want to test the image which is going to get the maximum impression and the link clicks. And now I'm going to see the another one, and here again I'm going to name this one as a 3 because this is the third image which we're going to use. And now everything is ready. If you can see this in this campaign, okay, this is one campaign having one ad set but 3 ad level. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, one copy, duplicate. So we have the ad set, right, copy. Now what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to give the name like ad set 2, and under the ad set 2 also, guys, this is the one. And we can also name from here like the 1 here, so that we should not get confused. So that, and this is 1, and we have ad set 2 here. The objective of ad set 2 is, guys, to target with a different interest, right? This was the interest which we have targeted in the ad set 1. Okay, so but we want to target some different interests which they are offering over here. Okay, this is how you can test, right, in the CBO campaign, and you'll get the winning ad set and the interest also. Okay, so now I'm going to use some different one here, that is abundance, manifest, and spiritual transformation. Okay, and rest will remain the same, guys. The placement will remain the same, right? We are not going to make any changes in all of this place. And here you can see the potential is like very, very less. It's fine. We are just testing. You can, if you want, you can also add here like personal development, something like that. Okay, like law of attraction. But if you select personal development, I think it will go like in millions, so I don't want that. Let me see more from here what they have. The secret book, okay, we can use this. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is fine, guys, which we have 370,000, right, potential reach. It's fine to go. Okay, it's all about testing, and rest will remain the same. So here, if you can see, right, we have one campaign and 2 ad set, and each of these ad set have, guys, 3, right, ad levels, so that we can test with different interests. So this ad set is targeting in a different interest for the same location, guys, in United Nations only, as well as this, right, ad set is targeting United Nations with some different interest, but the image and the copy and everything will remain the same. Now my objective from this campaign is, guys, the number 1 is to see how much results I'm getting from this image, ad copy and all. What is the impression I'm getting with the landing page, right? How much link click is happening, how much of landing page views are happening, how many people are getting into the right offers, how many people are seeing the offer, impression, reach, results, cost per click, everything I'm going to note here. So generally, guys, if I run these kinds of big campaigns, I will make sure I will put some good budget, like somewhere between $20, $30 like that. But right now we started with somewhere between $10 to $13 to test. I'm going to run this campaign for at least 3 days to see what kind of impressions I'm getting. Okay, 3 days, I'm not going to make any changes. The only changes will come, guys, if some ad is really not performing. It's 3 days, 2 days, that's up to you, guys, the budget which you put. Okay, some people put a lot of budget in the beginning itself, like $20, $30, $40, and within a 1 day they will make a change. For my ways, guys, put the low budget and run for at least 1 to 2 days, 3 days, so that Facebook can maximize, right, my ad setups, right, the interest which I have given to him, my budget and all. Then I'm going to make a change. Hope you got some point from this. Hope you learn a lot, and do not forget to watch my next video, because in the next video I'm going to show you how to read the Facebook ad results. Okay, how to read and what to make changes after seeing the ad results. So hope you got some point. If you got some value from this video, guys, do not forget to smash that like button, guys, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.